Hello everyone, Fiasco here behind the camera today at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. We're at the Jambo House portion of the resort today, and we're going to do a little bit of a resort walkthrough for our 7 and 7, which this week is Animal Kingdom Lodge. So let's go take a look at this gorgeous resort that has so much to offer. I've said on multiple occasions that I think this resort really is something special and has a lot over all the other resorts, and if you took this one outside of Disney World and really put it anywhere opposed to all the other options here, this one would probably do the best just because of how much it has to offer. So we're coming right up onto the Jambo House lobby, which we'll check out first, and then take a peek inside the gift store. Walk right into the lobby, and it's actually not too busy today, or at least not too busy right now. And excuse the weather, it's Florida and it's that time of year, so it is very rainy. And we'll head back into the lobby in just a second, but first I want to go check out the gift store. So this is Zawami Traders with this new Lion King merch for the movie that just came out about, a few months ago. Got this cute little talking Simba here, and then the Conservation Fund Simba too. And honestly, like this is just another thing that like furthers my point at how great Animal Kingdom Lodge is. This gift store, a lot bigger than a lot of the other resorts. And they also have a lot more unique stuff. Not just your basic Disney merchandise. And of course, because this is a DVC property, you have a little grocery section where you can pick up some basics. And they have all this framed work right here, which is really cool. I know a lot of the resorts do have, the resort artwork like this, but not a lot of the resorts have the frames to go with it. I'm not sure why that is. Why they don't just give the resorts frames to go with their pictures, because I think they'd sell a lot more, but for a reason they don't. But Animal Kingdom Lodge has some nifty wooden frames to go with all the artwork that they sell. And we'll head right back on up into the lobby. And we'll work our way around here to finally end off where you head down the stairs to the bottom level where all the restaurants are. But here's your check-in desk with all those animal sewn quilts on the back wall. And all throughout the lobby here, there's just so much theming. There's really no shortage of theming here at Animal Kingdom Lodge. So many decorative pieces all scattered around the lobby, like so many. In the back over here, next to your check-in desk, you have the Disney Vacation Club desk with another very well themed little relaxation area here with some tables and chairs and couches. Really nice area where you can look out on the Savannah. No shortage of places to look at the Savannah here either. And then here at Jambo House, you can exit out through this way to some of the animal areas and the savannah on this side. This resort actually has multiple savannas. It's quite a large resort. But we'll actually head over there after we're done downstairs. It's a nice little indoor fire pit here. You can sit down and relax by a fire inside the lodge. Really, really nice. And this is just kind of what I mean. This resort just has so much to offer. And now we're on the lobby floor, but you can see these are the stairs we're going down now. And there's going to be a lot of things to check out on the way. So coming down one level from the lobby, you have the Victory Falls Lounge, which is like a little bar area. Open from 4 p.m. to midnight. And that is actually the only thing on this level, but then you have to head down one more level for all the food options. And then as you're heading down, you got this nice little waterfall here, which I found kind of changes in how much water it's putting out depending on the day. And that waterfall flows right into this beautiful little lagoon of pennies in nickels and dimes and quarters. And then right here to our left is Boma, which I believe is the subject of this week's dining show. This is a buffet style breakfast and dinner experience. And then right next door we have Jico, which is not the subject of this week's dining review. It was the subject of a dining review a few months ago. But this is the subject of where I'll be eating dinner tonight. So I am excited for that. And from here we will head right outside into the rain. We will go brave the elements here. Not every day that I get to walk up here in the afternoon and see a completely empty pool. It is a pretty nice pool too. But we actually have a quick service location right around the corner we can go check out. I've eaten here multiple times, the Mara. I don't know if this door is going to be open for me, but we'll see. Yep, it sure is. And this is the Mara. This is Animal Kingdom Lodge's quick service location. I put this above a lot. I don't put it up there with, you know, Geyser Point or anything like that, but definitely above most quick service locations at resorts is what I would say. Just a few items that you could possibly get here. You could get the vegetarian falafel bites, this African hearty stew, Mara chicken salad. A few different types of sandwiches, turkey, chicken. Get some flatbreads. I personally come here for the sandwiches. I think they're quite good. Both the turkey and the chicken I've had, and I did like them a lot. Okay, back outside now. Keeping going around this outdoor loop. Pumbaa's Fun and Games here is their arcade. Just take a really quick peek inside right now. Arcades tend to be louder, so I'll spare you that as much as I can. Thank you, sir. Here's a look inside the arcade, and this is actually catching my eye right now. Sorry, it's definitely louder in here. But this is new. You can take like Marvel comic selfies in this booth. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna head back outside right now and save myself the trouble of having really loud audio though.
Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Can hear the thunder coming. It wouldn't be summer in Florida without it. So we're coming around just a lot of seating areas around the pool to kind of hang out and lounge at. They always have these games out. You got bean bags right here. You got a ping pong table over there. And then we can make our first left, which is going to be our first opportunity to check out the Savannah. Not sure which animals are going to be out right now in the rain, but you know, honestly, some of the coolest experiences I've had here with Disney and safaris and stuff like that have been during the rain. Some of the animals really let loose when water's falling from the sky. Taking a look out at the savannah right now. I can actually see a giraffe all the way in the distance right there above my finger. Gonna give you a quick little zoom in. See, he's over there in the distance right now. Pretty far away. Hard to zoom in any farther than that and really keep the image clear. But we got lots of little birds out on the safari today. But there are opportunities to see more animals. Oh, just around the corner. Here's one of the little spa hot tubs. There's actually a number of these all throughout the resort. Not hard to find one. On a nice day, it might just be hard to find one that isn't full. But right now, with the rain, well, they're all empty. Over here, we have our pool bar. We're just on the other side of the area of the pool we were just on. This is just another angle, an entrance of that. And then here we have a bunch of majestic pink flamingos. Look at them all there. we'll keep heading down this way. We have the kids' playground here, which is pretty impressive, honestly. Pretty impressive playground. Comparative to some of the other resorts, I think this one is much larger. The Hakuna Matata playground. And because of the rain, we didn't really see too many animals out on the Savannah, but by the time you're watching this video, my article would have went up on dvcfan.com, which I'll leave a link to in the description below. And in that article, I did a little video of my experience on the Wanyama Safari, which you will see a lot of animals in that short video. So I encourage you guys to all check that out if you want to see some of the animals here at Animal Kingdom Lodge. But the last thing here at Jambo House, coming up on my left before I circle back around to where we started, is the Massage and Fitness Center. So it might be hard to find some of the massage places that aren't census here in Walt Disney World, but they do have massages available here at the lodge. And that's going to do it for today on our little walking tour of the Jambo House at Animal Kingdom Lodge, as I hear thunder cracking down above me. So I'm going to head back inside and get ready for my dinner at Chico. But until next time, guys, have a good one.